Alright, let's go.
Yeah. My grandchild, whoever gets the first one.
Oh, bless you, Kyle. How was the washroom? It was dirty. Really? Not what you'd expect from Korea?
Definitely.
No. That's a shame.
There's a Hyde establishment there, no?
Bless you.
Bad shape, right?
You got the sneezels.
The wee sneezy weezies. The cheesy sneezies.
You want to go get tissues?
No, I'm alright.
You sure? You wash your hands after sneezing.
Jesus!
Oh my god.
What's going
Let's go get some tissues.
Okay.
Look, there's loads of tissues outside. Yeah. See? Get some tissues. Just a little pack. How's that sound? Sounds good? What could they be procuring? It's like a pandemic.
Yeah, no, what's going on?
You want to do it again, but you feel pressured now. Sneeze away, it's a free country.
It's actually making for perfect videos.
Never has sneezing entertained the masses as much as now. You got any tickle in the nose? No? A little quiver. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, it's funny. Very funny. Go buy some tissues. Don't sneeze in the shop, it's not hygienic. Look. You could blow your nose for 10,000 won. Maybe 30. Yeah, there's one more there. What is it about sneezing that you like so much?
It's clean. Cleans your nose.
It's a good release.
Should get some hygiene.
It's Hugie time. Oh, it's a good cultural exchange going on here. Oh,